Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever tried to use an image from Figma in a print project or a high-stakes presentation, you might have noticed things can get a bit blurry or pixelated if the image wasn't exported at a high enough resolution. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple but super effective way to create crisp, high-resolution images from Figma, perfect for printing or any situation where you want your work to really shine. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get the sharpest possible image exports, and you'll never have to worry about fuzzy graphics again. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you want to select the image or object that you want to export from your Figma canvas. Just click on it, make sure you've got exactly what you want, whether it's a whole frame, an illustration, or just a logo. It helps to click once outside, then back on your selection, just to double check that you haven't accidentally included any extra elements you don't want. This matters because Figma will only export what you've actually selected, and it'll keep your export tidy and focused. With your image selected, look over to the right-hand panel and scroll down until you see the Export section. If you haven't used this before, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and click the plus icon next to Export. This brings up the export options for your selection. Think of this step as telling Figma, hey, this is the piece I want to take out and use elsewhere. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose the file format. For most print and presentation uses, I recommend choosing PNG because it gives you a nice crisp image with transparent backgrounds if you need it. PNGs are great for maintaining quality, especially when you need those clean, sharp lines so your work looks professional, whether it's on a huge projector screen or printed on a flyer. Here, where we make your export truly high resolution, look beside the PNG option and you'll notice a field that might say something like 1x, or it might have a drop-down where you can select different scales. The magic happens here. Instead of sticking with the defaults, click that field and type in 4000. What this does is set the pixel width of your exported image to 4000 pixels, making it super sharp. Figma will scale the image proportionally based on your design so you won't lose quality. This is especially useful if your design is going to be enlarged, like in posters or big presentation slides, because the higher the resolution, the better it prints and appears on large screens. If you're not sure how big you need your image, 4000 pixels is a safe starting place for most print uses. Once you've set everything, and don't worry if this part takes a moment the first time, simply click Export. Figma will generate the high-res image, and you can save it wherever is most convenient for you. Depending on the complexity and size of your image, exporting might take a couple of moments, so just be patient. When it's done, you'll have a beautiful, high-quality PNG ready to drop into your project. So that's all there is to it. By being intentional with how you export from Figma, especially by bumping up that pixel width, you can make sure your images look just as good in print and on the big screen as they do in your browser. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.